Hello. Hi everyone. Rabin here. Hope everyone is doing well. How is the preparation going on for your Christmas? Uh, I'm not yet prepared for it, but I would like to know how you guys are planning for this. So anyway, today's topic is basically how to take advantage of the storage features. So there are so many type of storages that you can actually integrate with OneStream Live. And the benefit is if you upload a large file, for example, if you are uploading a video file for example 2 GB, it can take a while to upload manually. So what I do, usually I practice another way. So I upload to my OneDrive or pCloud or Dropbox, anything like that, and I pull it from Dropbox directly to the OneStream Live. So we are going to talk about that, but meanwhile, I just want to do a spot check. How many of you are already here? Can you guys say hi or something so I can see in the comments? I am monitoring the chat. I also would like to know if any of you actually used storage options for pre-recorded stream. So in my previous episode, I actually have shown that you can make use of pre-recorded stream for multiple different purposes. So how many of you actually tried to stream using pre-recorded stream, and whether you have tried the option to use the storage and pull the video from there and stream it directly. So I am just going to show the example of stream or pull the video in your video collection from your storage options. So they have a diverse type of storage. So cloud storage, like day to day you use like Google Drive, then you have OneDrive. These are very common. Then you have pCloud, is very well known in the community as well, and there is few others. So let me just check what others. So then you have Dropbox, you have Zoom Cloud recordings, which is very interesting. So basically, if you do a Zoom based webinar, you can actually restream it by pulling that video from Zoom. And then you can also bring from WebEx. WebEx is from Cisco, and Box.com, and even Frame.io. I haven't actually checked Frame.io. I'm not sure whether you guys tested it before or not. Now, beside all these, they also have few other options. Let me see where I can find. Okay, my uploads. Okay, so here is one more I can find. Let me share the screen. It's much more easier to show the demo account. Okay, let me share the screen. Just 1 second. Okay, where is that? Okay. Okay, so this is the new stream page. You can either choose to upload or record your own video, or you can even pull from your previous stream videos. And on the right side, you can see all the icons that like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, pCloud, and so on. But there is much more to this. You actually can do advanced level of cloud storage. So these are the ones, the additional ones. They are pretty advanced because they have been used by the professionals. So you can use DigitalOcean storage, Amazon S3 buckets, and Backblaze, Google Cloud Storage, UpCloud Storage, Wasabi, and even the generic type. So these are the options you don't see in any other streaming software, because this is something that is very native to OneStream Live. And these are the storage that you can use professionally because they have low latency and really fast speed. So beside that, the day-to-day generic ones are already over here. So what I will do, I will just add two files from my OneDrive. So this is another interesting thing. If you bring it from cloud storage, you can actually select multiple video files and bring them into your storage. And then you can plan to schedule them for a later date. So let's see how fast it is if we bring in two files from my OneDrive. So this is my personal OneDrive, and I just clicked it. Okay, for security reasons, I'm not showing my own OneDrive, but what I am going to do, I will change the screen share and add in that window so you can see. Okay, where is this? Okay, so this one, you can see this is my files. So I have my videos. I'm going to go in there. Yes, I pre-authenticated this connection to OneDrive before I went live. So here I am going to select two videos, two older videos. One is this and this. Okay, I just select one. Okay, select. Now I have to change the screen again. So let me stop and reshare the screen. Okay, what I'm going to do, I think something is disturbing my OneDrive. Probably I'm still connected with my desktop in the OneDrive. So I will try Google Drive as well. So give me a moment to authorize the Google Drive, and hopefully I have some videos over there. I am trying to see which one I can use. Okay, next. Let's see if this one works. Okay, I have to give the authentication. Okay. Okay, I think there is no files inside there. So what I will do, I will try to upload a small video file. It will take a few seconds, I hope, to upload. Let me try that process. I go to my videos, bring in one of the small video files. That will be pretty fast. I hope is pretty fast. Okay, where is my Google Drive here? Okay, my drive. Okay, I'm going to paste it in the root folder. Let me see how long it takes to actually go up in the cloud. Then I will share that screen and import that file. It's a small file, just a desktop capture. Let me try again and see if I can see the file. Right. So I have selected one file from Google Drive. So let me share the screen again one more time. Okay, we are here. So once you add a file, it will bring you to this screen. So this is the video file. You can add it to a playlist. You can create a video playlist. Then you can also upload a caption for this video if you have a SRT file, which is basically captions for videos. And then you can change the thumbnail to the one you prefer. And you can also put a logo and watermark. This is pretty neat. Let me try one small icon and see how it comes out. So as you can see, sorry, you can't see this window. Okay, let me see. Yeah, you should be able to see this. Yes. So I'm going to resize it smaller over here and apply. So now I have a digital watermark put over here, and then I can assign description, I can assign the title, and you can also set it to do event announcement and the pre-recorded videos. So all the options are presented when you upload a file from your cloud storage. So this is actually very simple. Let me go and try to do this process one more time and see how it works out. So I will go to videos, my uploads. So I'm going to discard this schedule. Let me see what I have in my uploads. So I have this video, as you can see. Previously it was not there. So I am going to add one more of Google Drive file. Okay, so videos news. Okay, let me go here. And I will click the Google Drive and just bring in this one. This is one of my previous stream from some other place. So let me just get this one. This one is a pretty big file. So let's see how this works out. As you can see that it almost instantly processing it. You can see the processing. Wait, video is processing 11%, 26%. So even though this is a quite a big file, I think it's about 1.5 GB. It's coming from Google Drive, and you can see how fast it is to import inside my collection. So once it is inside, you will be able to assign watermark, you will be able to change the video, you can assign captions, then you can change thumbnail and so on, add it to a playlist. I'm going to show the playlist feature in the next round. Basically, you can kind of mimic a kind of TV channel by using playlist feature. So you upload your videos and add them to specific playlist. Let's say you have a target. Let's say the playlist is all about streaming. So you can call it a streaming playlist and upload all your videos, assign them one by one into the playlist, and later you can actually stream the entire playlist. But definitely this one will depend on your depend on your plan, because some plans they have continuous streaming for 8 hours, some plans they have continuous streaming for 2 hours. So you need to take a look at your limits. You will be able to see your limits over here. So I'm not going to schedule this. I'm going to see the dashboard and go back and check my plan. So here I can see under billing what is under my plan. So currently this is a trial account, so it should have pre-recorded streaming. You can see it should have about 8 hours of continuous streaming over here. If it is too small, let me make this a little bit bigger. So it's about 8 hours of streaming at continuously. So when you use the playlist feature, you have to keep in mind that your total number of video hours should not exceed 8 hours time, or according to your plan. Check the plan first, what is your limit. If it is 2 hours, then don't make the playlist longer than 2 hours. So it will abruptly stop. We don't want the stream to abruptly stop. So there is that. So I am going to go back to my uploads again. As you can see, I have these files and this is taking up. Okay, so this file was 1.29 GB. I can see it over here. If you want to clean up your storage, what you can do, you can just select a file and you see the delete button appears over here. So just go ahead and delete the file. So then your personal storage space recovered from that usage. So you get back your space by deleting. So beside this, you can see all the videos here. You can actually create, you can look at the video details, what is their codec and etc. Then on this screen or even on this screen, you can actually click and create a schedule for this. So here it will be your social accounts like YouTube, like Facebook, like Instagram and such. So what you can do, you can schedule this again, or you can set it to republish regularly. So this is something very interesting, a lot of people doesn't know. So regularly restream means in certain situations you want to stream the content again in a different time, or maybe you have an audience that is other side of the world, they couldn't attend your stream, so you want to show them regularly, or it's like a TV show that repeats after a few days. So you can do that by doing the republish regularly option. You can see here this one. And consecutive streams are one stream after another. So it becomes like a train of streams. So these are the advanced things I think nobody talks about, but this is something interesting to keep in mind. So the playlist feature, what I will do, the playlist feature I will show on the next round, and we will see how we can schedule playlist and then take advantage of that feature. So it will be possible that you can actually pre-plan a kind of series using Onestream Live, and then you can repeat it on a daily manner, or you can have a different set of content. Like day one, maybe you are running a streaming playlist, day two is a productivity playlist, day three is some other topic. So in that way you can pre-plan your stream like few days ahead or maybe 1 week ahead, and you actually can plan and plot them in a different day with different playlists. So in a way you are running your own web-based TV channel. So this is something very interesting. You can do this on YouTube, or maybe Vimeo have Vimeo have some of the options, but not all of the options. So this is something to keep in mind, that you can actually really take advantage of these features. So you can also see that they actually put a warning over here. Each stream can be of max 480 minutes with the current Pro plan. So that actually translate to your plan, means if your plan have smaller duration for the total stream, then you need to keep that in mind. But with thank you Erica, I hope it can be some help. And yes, there are some advanced options, so we will go through all of that, and I'm actually also digging around that how we can so I have to use a trial account, so I can stream from my main account on my right side, and the left side I have the trial account, so I can actually show you guys that how it is in actual in real life scenario. Because once I am in the studio, I won't be able to go and change to another like schedules or streaming history. I can't go to all those menu items while I'm doing the studio stream. So here there are some little bit nitty-gritty important things. You can see you can actually copy from your previous titles, means if you are lazy or if you want to save time and you have uploaded the similar series of videos, you can actually just click from previous titles and you can bring them in to reduce the time or effort you want to put in to create the title or description. These are something very nice to have. And under the advanced settings, you can find few other important stuff, like whether you want to restream this in a public setting or private setting. They also have a setting for friends. If you are streaming on Facebook, so this will be only visible to your friends, means your account and all the friends in your account. And for YouTube, you can also choose unlisted. So this is a feature that you can stream it with unlisted listing. The benefit is it will not be in the public space. So only the people who know the link, they will be able to access it. So this is something nice to do, because when you are doing a stream or repeated stream for a limited amount of people or a group of people, so you can just use the unlisted option for YouTube. In that way, you will just send them the link, or maybe they are in a group chat, in a WhatsApp group chat, so you send them the link in that group. In that way, nobody else will know that there is a stream going on, but your target audience, means your group settings, it can be a Facebook Messenger group people or group chat or even WhatsApp group chat. So you can just post the link there and they will be able to join the stream. Okay, so the other advanced options, this is something almost no other company give this feature, which is 360 videos. 360 videos are big. I personally use, I don't have the camera with me right now, so I actually use Insta360 X2. So when I record it in 5.7K, the files are pretty big, and I noticed that I cannot stream those videos. So Onestream Live is the one platform, they are supporting the 180 and 360 videos. This is an advantage, that you don't have to edit the video if you want to put it on Onestream Live. So that's a neat thing to understand and see. And this is also very space saving. So once you finish the stream, your pre-recorded video from your cloud storage, you can just select this. What will happen that once this stream completes, it will delete the video by itself. So your space in your Onestream live account, let's say is 50 GB. So you uploaded a 2 GB video and stream it. After the stream has completed, it will delete that video. So you gain back your 2 GB from your total space. So DVR activated is something like it gives you the feature of DVR. So what is the DVR feature? DVR feature, if you notice, those days when we used to watch TV, we didn't knew that we couldn't. There was no option that you can pause while you are watching the show. No possible way. So the only time you can go to the toilet or whichever you want to drink some water is during the commercial break, if you can remember those days. So then it came DVR. So DVR helps to instantly record and display the show we are watching, and we can actually pause, fast forward, rewind, depending on our needs. So this one will only work on YouTube, and it will give you the DVR kind of feature on your live stream, which is a very neat thing as well. And this one, YouTube is very strict about this. You will notice that if you upload videos on YouTube, you will have to give this option whether your video is actually for kids or not. It also applies to live streams. So make sure you either ticked or unticked this video. Most of the time it will be unticked because the videos we post is not really suitable for kids. And this is also very, very interesting feature. Video loops within each stream. So you can actually set how many times the video that you are playing, whether it will repeat by itself or not. If you can remember those days, the old 1980s cassette player, they had the thing called auto repeat, and the cassette will rewind and go back and start playing again. Yeah, I'm just feeling nostalgic about it, but for us, right now the technology has moved so much, and we can just set on Spotify or whichever it is, repeat, right? We can just tap one thing and it will repeat and repeat and repeat. Here you can actually set that how many times it will repeat. Oh wow, the number is okay. So the maximum number of repeat is 36 times. That's a lot. So these are most of the features that you can upload and schedule for pre-recorded stream. I know that it doesn't look that great for like how you import the videos. Let me import one more video so you guys will be quite sure how to do how fast it is. So I will just select one of this video and click select, and let's see how long it takes on live for this video to come in. So I pressed select and I'm looking at it. Okay, there should be a progress bar, right? Okay. God knows what happened to this one. Okay, so it was so fast that I wasn't even able to see the progress bar. So yes, again, one more time, that you can actually change the thumbnail. You don't have to show this if you don't want to. You can put a watermark. Okay, let's try again, and you can place it anywhere you like. Press apply. Then you can also change the video and add it to a playlist. So I just repeat it one more time. The rest of the things are pretty much standard. Here I won't touch anything except the DVR activated. Usually this is how I will stream, but if I want to stream it for only my friends on Facebook, so I will go and choose Facebook only. But having said that, if you want to keep it private, when you select friends Facebook only, make sure your social channel is also only Facebook, not Facebook page or not Facebook group. Facebook profile means your own profile. And that is about it for today. I hope I can be of some help. And thank you for whoever you're attending. And I really appreciate that you guys taken the time to join the stream. And next round, I will try to show the playlist feature in action and together with few more tips and tricks. So inside the studio, there are other things like how you can plan. You can actually pre-plan that whether you want to start with an interval, or if you want to take a quick break, you can have a 5-minute interval video while you are streaming. I haven't actually practiced this, but this is also very important. Sometimes you need a break because when you are talking for so long, it can tire you out very easily. So all those things I'm going to cover on the next session. But I hope this was helpful for you guys, and don't forget to experiment. So you should also try how to, if one of you have S3 bucket, Amazon S3 bucket or similar, or Wasabi, so just try to bring file from there because those storages are even more faster. So to give a quick comparison, if I wanted to upload the video that is 1.29 GB, it would take me roughly around 30 minutes from my connection. But if I do it from the cloud, it just takes about 30, maximum of 30 seconds. So this is something that you can optimize when you plan your scheduled streams. All right, that's all for now. So help me with one thing. If you like the content, if you think I did help you in some way, or I was a little bit of help, do give me a subscribe. And don't forget to check out Onestream. There are so many features. It takes time to actually dig through all of it. So before I go, I give you an example that how many features there are. So I will just quickly run through it so you will know that there are so many other things. Okay, let me go to my subscription and expand these options, expand all. So you can see there are a humongous amount of options for each plan. Yes, of course, the Pro plan have the maximum number of options. This one we haven't tested yet, Facebook live cross posting, which can be very useful if you are cross posting between multiple Facebook destinations. RTMP source, adaptive bitrate. Adaptive bitrate is very important when you have a connection fluctuation, and it helps you to optimize the video size according to the end user's connection speed, which is very, very nice. Then you have these live spaces, video storage, team management. You can see in Pro plan, you can actually have 4-person team, and they can work together on a stream while you're streaming. This can be very, very helpful while you're streaming. And the unified chat, you have unified chat. On the basic, on the very basic plan, you do not have the unified chat. The unified chat is only available above standard and professional. So these are some of it. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much for attending. Bye-bye.